Short exercise 1-16. We're going to calculate return on assets, which attempts to measure how efficiently a company is using its assets to generate net income, also called profit. So Matured Water Services had net income for the month of October of $50,880. Assets as of the beginning and end of the month totaled $362,000 and $486,000 respectively. Calculate Matured Water Services ROA, and if you forgot what ROA stands for, you just point to this and it tells you return on assets for the month of October. So the first thing we need to do, as you can see in these boxes, is we need to enter the formula in words. Do you remember the formula of return on assets? So here's kind of a clue about how to figure it out. Return, notice it says return on assets. The return is on top, the numerator. What does the owner get in return for having business? Net income. So net income is on the top, and it's a return on what? Return on assets. And we use average total assets in case the assets changed a lot throughout the year, or in this case, throughout the month. So then we're just going to plug in the numbers. So net income is $50,880. Average total assets. To calculate average total assets, we need to take the beginning total assets plus the ending total assets and then divide by 2. So beginning was 362,000, 362,000, plus the ending 486,000. So that gives us 848,000 divided by 2. Gives us $424,000 of average total assets. So then we just do the math. We're going to take 50,880, so clear it, 50,880 divided by 424,000 equals. So now notice this gives us a decimal, 0.12, but if you look over here, there's a percentage sign. So that means they want this as a percentage. So we have to convert this decimal to a percentage. There's two ways to do it. The easy way is just take the decimal, move 2 places to the right. So that would be 12%. Or just take your calculator, multiply by 100. So 12% is the answer. So what does that mean? So notice the formula is net income on top. In other words, profit divided by assets. So for every dollar of the thing on the bottom, so in other words, for every dollar of the denominator, for every dollar of assets, they generate 12% of a dollar of profit. So what is 12% of a dollar? It's 12 cents. So in other words, for every dollar of assets, the company generates 12 cents of net income, also called profit. So 12 cents of profit for every dollar of assets that they have. Is that good or bad? Well, it depends. It all depends on the industry that the company is in. So you would have to compare this company's return on assets versus other companies' return on assets in the same industry, because different industries have different levels of assets and different levels of profitability.